Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on the stove. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat before you mix batter so timing matches heat. Whisk flour, eggs, milk, and a pinch of salt until just combined and slightly lumpy for tender pancakes. Let batter rest briefly while you butter the pan and measure portions for even cooking and great flipping confidence. For consistent results, watch the surface for bubbles that pop and edges that look set. That signals the right time to flip. Slide a thin spatula under the pancake, flip confidently, and avoid pressing too hard. Cook the second side until golden brown and springy to the touch. Keep heat moderate to prevent burning and adjust between batches to maintain uniform color and doneness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple kitchen guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel great when flipping pancakes for hours. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to try them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Customize pancakes by folding in fruit, chocolate, or spices right before pouring for even distribution without overmixing. Keep finished pancakes warm on a low oven rack or a plate covered loosely with foil while you cook the rest. Adjust batter thickness with small amounts of milk or flour to achieve a pourable but not runny consistency. And remember, gentle mixing preserves fluffiness for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.